Hi, I'm kycq with Western Maryland Master Gardener. I'm here today. It's July the 10th, 2021. I planted these Tendergreen bush beans 60 days ago, so you can see it's a crop that I haven't really probably it's been a while since I planted these to see what they would do. So this morning I have 1 pound gave me a 40-foot row, and this is about probably 14 feet of the 40-foot row, about a third of it. So you can see I got about probably a half a bushel of beans off of 14 feet. So the total row is going to give me close to 2 bushels. To give you an idea of what the yield is, this is one plant, and you can see it's got 10 beans, and 5 of them are about 6-7 inches long. It'd be interesting to clean them up and process them today. What they look like, but it's just a different crop that I've done. Anyway, kycq with Western Maryland Master Gardener. Have a great day. Thanks for subscribing.